Our amazing God. Can we all take a moment to appreciate how winter really said, I'm not visiting, I'm moving in, woke up to a backyard that looks like a powdered donut factory exploded. Cars tucked in like they called out of work, and snow piled up like it pays rent here now. The shed disappeared, the fence is fighting for its life, and my car? Yeah, it's officially a decorative snow sculpture until further notice. But honestly, I'm grateful for warmth inside, for another day to see this beauty, and for the reminder that no matter how heavy life piles on, we still stand. Winter might be doing the most, but so is gratitude, if you're snowed in too. Stay safe, stay warm, and drop a, I am snowed in too.